Hey Bubba, you're probably thinking, who cares? It's just a tomato salad. But trust me when I tell you you're going to want to make this salad with any meal. You could pair it with a rice dish or some habibi chicken. Let's get cooking, Bubba. First, wash your veggies. For this salad, I'm using half a bunch of scallions, 2 tomatoes, 2 small cucumbers, 1 clove of garlic, a half bunch of parsley, and a quarter bunch of fresh mint. The ingredients and recipe will be listed below. First, cut up your tomatoes into small chunks and place into a bowl. I love using a bench scraper. It costs like $1 to $2 and it makes it super easy to transfer ingredients. Next, cut up your cucumbers, then your scallions, and you could add things like a jalapeño or even some radishes here too if you want. This is what I had in my fridge, so this is what I'm using today. Crush a garlic clove, chop up the mint, and it's a salad, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And also, please be sure to wet a paper towel underneath your cutting board. It drives me absolutely crazy when people try to teach you how to cook and their cutting boards are wobbling everywhere. Remember, safety third. Chop up the parsley, juice about 2 lemons, and add in about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Add salt and pepper to taste. So I like to also include some sumac and a touch of allspice. I learned this from my brother Branzino, and it adds a ton of depth to the salad. Mix everything together and let marinate for about half an hour to an hour before serving. To get the full recipe and more, go to mrbranzino.com.